Out of the shop again. Um, Taking a 78 Trans Am that's been here for going on 18 years in this shop. Granted, it wasn't like that back then, but this is for my wife. It had been from day one. Always wanted to give her a Trans Am or a Firebird, just cause. And then hopefully I get driver rights since I'm uh, building it. So got 2 wheels done. They'll suffice until I'd like to put the 17-inch year ones like everybody does on it, but I mean, the ones I'd like to get are $4,200 a set. I just can't justify that. Fuck, that's more than the whole goddamn car. I think this, I didn't pay anything for the car. Let's put it that way. 18 years ago, did a cylinder head port job for a small block Chevy, bolt ties and valve job, and got the car and some money in payment a long damn time ago. And then I thought it was funny because I'm trying to assess the driver's door, because the driver's door gets all the driver's door, the driver's seat, everything in the driver's gets all the abuse, obviously. Some things that you can interchange, cushion foams, seat foams, seat covers. But I thought it was funny is cleaning up this thing and figuring out the motor. The motor works ish. I'm getting a new set of motors for it, but yeah. So kind of hard to capture on camera. Try to just douse it down with cleaner, but you see all this glass. It's like really bad. Freaking, they got themselves locked out of this car like ungodly amount of times and got very vicious and aggressive. Lack of a better word. So it's kind of neat to. It's neat in the sense that to capture the history of the car and see what you just take the scars of it, and then you know what it's like to have a car like this as a daily driver. So yeah, having some fun. I was gonna reskin the door. I'm just trying to establish if I'm gonna need to do that, and I realized probably 15 years ago, got a stud welder, bodywork stud welder for Christmas, and I remembered why, and it was the door, the door skin on this car, or this door, because I knew I was gonna. It really isn't that bad. I was gonna reskin it. It's pretty cool because the skin is like $125, I think, shipped. But looking at it, I can take that body seam. What I'm going to do is weld or stud weld along that body seam and pull that out level first, and then I'll bring everything back. Kind of sucks because you can't get to it because of the door brace there. Yeah, right there. So that door brace is kind of in the way. So yeah, just kind of, I haven't really captured a whole lot of this car. I've done a lot of stuff in the last couple months on that car. That one's next. Actually, a couple Oldsmobiles are next. But yeah, I'm trying to get. I want to get back to capturing all of the work being done and the journey to get there. Yeah, I've lost track of a lot of stuff over a couple years, and I'm just trying to get back to where, I'm a go-getter. I just want to get back to being good, So yeah, having fun with the door. looking at the battle scars, assessing the situation, and if I can not spend 125 bucks on a skin, I think I'm gonna go with it. Then money can be put towards something else. So yeah, and then yeah, oh yeah. So I already done 2 wheels, and then yeah, I got the third wheel on the jig, stripping the paint. That's what they start out with. You know, they're the 15/8. They're all gold painted, and then that's what that exact wheel. That's what I ended up right there. So that's more appealing to me, and I really dig that shit. And yeah, so yeah, got the decals. So those are home cut. Lots of blocking, lots of other things to do, but we'll get there. Trust me, Suze, we'll get there.